Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very short video. There are some owner with the problem where when they turn off the engine and the brake light still turn on. Okay, that's the problem of the brake stopper rubber is damaged. So when the brake stopper rubber damaged, your brake light will be constantly on, so it might drain out your battery power. It is a very easy fix, don't worry, you can do it yourself. So this is the brake stopper rubber and this is the part number, so you can search it online or I will try to share the link in the description. Okay, so this rubber is located behind your brake pedal. It's very easy to change, so let me show you. Let's go to our driver's side. Move the chair back so you have a bigger space to access the brake pedal, and get a torchlight. Okay, let me show you where is the brake stopper rubber. This is your brake pedal. Okay, go underneath. You will see a lot of things here, don't worry. So let me show you. So this is the brake rubber. This is the brake rubber. I press the brake and the brake rubber will move away from the switch. The white color is the switch. Okay, when you release the brake, you will touch the switch, right? So that's how the brake light turn off when the rubber touching the switch. So let me remove it's very easy. So you just one hand depress the brake and use your finger to push the rubber. Here is it. So let's replace with a new rubber, this one. So it is same size. Okay. So as you see, without the brake rubber, the brake light will stay constantly on. Even I'm not pressing the brake, see. So let's replace the new brake stopper rubber. So again, use another hand to press the brake pedal. Okay. So you have a bigger space to access the gap. Oops, never mind. Let's try again. Very easy. Okay. So this nipper point to the hole, and then release your brake. Okay, it will go inside. The nipper will lock. It will not fall down. So okay. Let's see if the brake light is still on or not. Okay, so the brake light is back to normal when I'm not pressing the brake pedal. So let's say you don't have the new rubber and you only have your broken one, then just use the tape. Tape this rubber on the bracket temporarily until you get the new rubber. Usually is this one broken, then it fell off and fell on your carpet. So you can glue it back first or tape it back until you get the new one replaced. Okay, so this is how you change the brake rubber stopper. Very easy, you can do it yourself. Don't need to use any special tools. Okay, peace, bye, see you in my next video.